Hi everyone, my name is Carol, and today I'm going to be showing you how to sign and send a report via email through the Infraspeak Mobile App. So if you head on over to your Infraspeak app, and once you log in, you should arrive to the main menu just as the one you see here. Now you can click on the Work Orders tab, and we're going to head on over to our closed work orders. And I'm going to now choose the work order that I want to sign and send. And as you can see here, so I'm going to collect the signature for this work order and on my report. So I'm going to click on the second tab where it says sign report. And then once I'm here, I'm going to, where it says signed by, it says touch to add a name. I'm going to add a name. Okay. And let's say this was Paul. And once you're done adding in the name, all you have to do is click on done. And then here in the white space, you can use that to collect the digital signature. So I'm going to get that signature from Paul. And once you're done collecting the signature, all you have to do is head over to the right-hand corner and click on the arrow. And that will get automatically assigned into your report. So now you're ready to send your report out. All you have to do is go to the first tab where it says send report. And now here you can select a report to preview if you wish. So a work order complete report or just a work order report. And if you scroll down, you have the email addresses which you can select who you want to email it out to. Okay. Once you've selected who you want to email it out to, or if that email address doesn't pop up here, you can manually add the email address where it says type other email. So down here, and you can add that manually. Once you're done and you're ready to send your report, all you have to do is click on send report and successfully you will send your report. So I'm going to click on send report. It's going to ask me to confirm that I want to send a report. I'm going to say send, and that has successfully been sent out. It's as easy as that. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.